Some days I just feel like a bee with no queen. The colony's in chaos, the honey is green. I just can't always clock the pace, been falling off for days. Can't wait to take my chances and tornado from Kansas to coast. Seems too close to oceans. They hope to roll it and shake the land up. The owners will put their hands up and dim with benefits. Big fish never get caught, won't flinch. I caught hooks in spots where I swim. Been landlocked. These landlords want what I cannot give. To get to space I must take up. Can't evaporate and won't stay stuck. This backward state won't shape up. Don't know my place, I gotta make it up. It's time to go. Been too long, too slow. Gotta get with the rhythm I need. New sights, new souls, new sides to show. Thinking of all of these reasons to leave. I need some new life. Let go, move light. New regions, new seasons. Same numbers, same phone. Won't lose my luggage. You won't lose my love. If you need some, come meet up and see my new home. Careful on the ladder if you go get it. Corporate double speak door menace. Hate to see a language so tormented. Tongues of the enemy. Split twist and flip scripts endlessly. I don't hit it. Hard to see the pattern when you're so in it. Said I wouldn't settle in, I'm so minute. Might bend low. Won't near the two fools in the trench coat. Mr. CEO, I did new math. Now I owe you. Say you owe me. You want my energy for free. Yeah. Give me percentages and fees. Hey, what's a man made for? I don't know, but I got what you can't pay for. And I don't wanna lie, but God, I can't stay bored looking at these walls full of knockoffs decor.